Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the glycemic index, which is a scale used to rank carbohydrates in foods based on how they affect blood sugar levels. The GI measures how quickly a specific food causes a rise in blood glucose after consumption. Foods are categorized into 3 GI groups: low GI, 55 or less. These foods cause a slow and gradual increase in blood sugar, making them ideal for stable energy levels and blood sugar control. Examples include vegetables like broccoli, nuts, most fruits, lentils, and whole grains like quinoa. Medium GI ranges from 56 to 69. These foods have a moderate impact on blood sugar. They cause a moderate rise in glucose levels, which can be managed more easily. Examples include brown rice, whole wheat bread, and sweet potatoes. And lastly, high GI, which is 70 or more. Foods in this category cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, leading to quick energy highs followed by crashes. Examples include white bread, sugary cereals, white rice, and potatoes. Now let's look at how GI plays an important role in managing your carbs. One petal at a time. Understanding the glycemic index can help you make healthier food choices by managing blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Here's how GI helps in carb management. 1. Stabilizes blood sugar. Low GI foods release glucose slowly, helping to avoid sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 2. Enhances energy levels. Low GI foods provide a steady source of energy, preventing the fatigue that's often linked to high GI foods. 3. Supports weight control. Low GI foods promote satiety, meaning they help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce hunger and prevent overeating, aiding in weight management. 4. Lowers disease risk. Eating more low GI foods can lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. 5. Improves diet quality. Low GI foods tend to be more nutrient dense, offering more fiber, vitamins, and minerals compared to high GI options. Here are some simple tips to incorporate more low GI foods into your diet. 1. Swap simple carbs for complex ones. Replace white rice with quinoa or barley. Choose whole fruits instead of fruit juices. 2. Pair high GI foods with protein or fat. Adding protein like eggs or healthy fats like avocado can lower the glycemic impact of high GI foods. 3. Focus on fiber-rich foods. Legumes, vegetables, and whole grains are naturally low GI and high in fiber, which is great for digestion. Be cautious, as many processed foods, even those marked as healthy, often have high GI due to added sugars. While the GI is a useful tool, it has some limitations. The GI doesn't reflect the total carb content of a food, which affects blood sugar too. The same food can have different effects on blood sugar for different people. GI is based on individual foods, but combining foods in a meal can alter the overall glycemic response. While the glycemic index is helpful, it's also important to understand glycemic load (GL). GL takes both the quality (GI) and quantity of carbs in a serving into account, providing a more accurate picture of food's overall impact on blood sugar. Here's a simple formula that you can use to better manage your carb intake. Understanding the glycemic index is a powerful tool for making smarter food choices. By focusing on low GI foods, you can stabilize blood sugar, maintain steady energy, control hunger, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart conditions. Incorporating fiber-rich, nutrient-dense options into your meals not only improves overall health but also supports sustainable weight management. Remember, managing your carb intake isn't about eliminating all carbs but choosing the right ones to fuel your body effectively. With the right knowledge and portion control, you will be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful and that it empowers you to make more mindful food choices. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on carb-conscious living. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Take care and keep making those healthy choices.